Welcome, a little bit a lot. Today we're doing ribs. The 3-2-1 method using an electric smoker. So let's get this thing started, baby. Let's review what we just did. Took the ribs, cut them out of the package, took the silver skin off them, washed them off, dabbed them dry, seasoned them both sides, edges, side, this corner, that corner, that corner, this corner, rubbed it in, all that kind of good stuff. We got the smoker hot, at least 225. Typically with this electric smoker, you got to get it as hot as you possibly can to get it to start smoking. Then once you put your ribs in there, it drops temperature real quick because you open the door, you put the ribs in, which are a little bit cooler, so it drops the temperature and you're good to go. I have baby back ribs, I have St. Louis ribs, I have two different rubs. I have a jalapeno garlic rub, which I've never tried before, but why not? And I also have a smoky brown sugar rub, which I on it. Like I said, we're using the 3-2-1 method, which is 3 hours in the smoker. Don't touch the thing. Keep it around 225. It's 2 hours wrapped up in tin foil, little apple juice, a little bit of butter, little brown sugar. Wrap that sucker up, put it in for 2 hours. Last hour, you take them out of the foil, put them back in the smoker, let them firm up a little bit. Perfect. let's recap what we just did. We spent the first 3 hours without the foil. We got 2 hours with the foil. They're pulling back from the bone itself. We got 1 more hour. Woo! Can't wait. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a 3-2-1 of the ribs. Jalapeno garlic on the baby racks was awesome. The smoky brown sugar wasn't bad at all. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you on the next one.